Hi everyone, so let's move on to the second cool experiment. In this experiment, we're going to show you how to make a very cool engine from something very simple. We're going to use a glass container with a cap. We're going to use some alcohol. It's 90% dilution alcohol. We're going to use something to lit the fire, and we're going to use a drill machine to bore a 1 centimeter hole into the cap. So let's start.
Okay, so let's start. Ons gaan weer probeer, hoor jy? Let's start. Okay, so we got a hole in the cap. Right. Then we take the alcohol and we throw about a tenth of the bottom to fill it with the alcohol.
So the alcohol is in, the hole is in the cap. We shake the alcohol a little bit like that just to create some fumes inside. Then we put it down. Wow! Okay, that didn't go exactly the way we planned it, but just to show you how it's supposed to go, here is a video of how the jet engine should sound like. Watch out for our next videos. Hopefully the next experiment is going to be much more successful. Cheers everyone.